Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python set collection with comparison operator or comparison operations. So what is set collection in Python programming? So set is unordered collection of elements. Set elements are unique. It does not accept duplicate objects or elements. Set elements are mutable, so we can add them, delete them, update them. As a whole, set can be modified. And set does not provide indexes to its elements. And basically, set values are given in curly brackets and they are separated with commas. For example, set 1 11 22 33, set 2 11 22 33 44 55. So we have to give it in curly brackets or curly braces. And set is capable of storing same type of data as well as different type of data. And in set, order of elements is not preserved. Now coming to the set operations with comparison operators. We can use less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, equals to, not equals to, with comparisons of two sets. And using this we can check subset, superset and equivalent sets. And these operations provides true, false. So for example, set 1 less than set 2, set 1 greater than set 2, set 1 less than or equal to set 2, set 1 greater than or equal to set 2, set 1 equals to set 2, set 1 not equals to set 2. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program, Python set example 8. So first take a new page, write comments at the beginning of the program. So I'm taking two sets, set 1 with 3 elements, set 2 with 5 elements. Print set 1, set 2. Okay, right. So let us execute till here. Put comment for other cases. So set 1 11 22 33, set 2 11 22 33 44 55. Save this program in your working directory. So come to the prompt where you have saved this and run this program. Python set example 8.py. So first set 33 11 22, order is not preserved. Second set 5 elements 33 22 55 11 44. Right. So next let us perform comparison operators on set 1, set 2. Set 1 less than set 2, true, because it has only 3 elements. Set 2 has 5 elements. Set 1 greater than or equal to set 2, false. Set 1 less than or equals to set 2, true. Less than or equals to any one of them. Set 1 greater than or equals to set 2, it is false. It is neither greater than nor equals to set 2. And set 1 equals to set 2, no, it does not have same number of elements and equal values. Set 1 not equal to set 2, true. Okay, right. So come to the prompt and then run it. So first one true, false, true, false, false, last one not equal to true. So now let us take one empty print. It will take a new line. Right, so set 1 I'm taking 11 22 33. Set 2 also same elements, equal number of elements. Print set 1, set 2. Okay, right. So let us take here set 1 and set 2. Right. So save this and perform the same operations. Less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equals to, not equals to. Put comment for the remaining cases. So save this, come to the prompt and run. Right, so set1, set2 are having same elements, equal number of elements. So set1 less than set2, false, greater than, false, less than or equals to, true, because it is equal, greater than or equals to, true, because it is equal, equals to set2, true, not equals to set2, false. Now coming to the third case. Right, so in the third case, set1 I'm taking 10, 20, 30, 40, set2 11, 22, 33. So print, okay, set1, set2, okay, and then apply less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equals to, not equals to. Okay, so in all the cases, okay, so simply run it, we get false in all the cases. Last one is true. So set1 less than set2, false, greater than set2, false, because we have no comparison of elements, that's why. Okay, and unequal number of elements, less than or equals to, neither less than nor equals to, false, greater than or equals to, neither greater than nor equals to, false, equals to, false, not equals to, true. So first to 5 cases are false, only the last case is true, not equals to, set2. So this is how we have to perform comparison of two sets using comparison operators in Python programming. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.